Hi friends, are you ready for another food hack thing that I saw on Facebook? Well, thanks to one of my Toastmaster buddies, Cindy Martin, she posted, or she shared, I should say, a post from John Bliss, who originally shared this on a Facebook site called Real Awesome Country Living. So perhaps a few of you have seen that because some of you are probably friends on that page. So this is called 1-2-3 cake. And the reason it's so great is, have you ever had just the most unhealthy meal and you think, I should really top this off with some cake? Only you didn't make a cake that day? Well, problem solved, friends. Problem solved. Here's how. So you have to take 2 boxes of cake. One has to be an angel food cake, and the other one can be any kind of cake that you want it to be. I have chosen the devil's food cake. And then you put these in a container together and you mix them up. Shake a shake, shake a shake. All right, now the fun begins. Get yourself a cute little mug. May or may not be polka dotted like mine is. And now with our mixture, we're gonna take 3 tablespoons of our mixture. 1, 2, 3. So 3 tablespoons of our mixture, and then we're going to take 2 tablespoons of water. 1, 2. All right, so we have our little mixture. We have it in the water. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Gonna have cake. Gonna have cake. Stir, stir, stir. Maybe you have a different song you like to sing. Stir, stir, stir. Get some cake. Get some cake. All right. Now, then we put that in the microwave for 1 minute. And then in 1 minute, voila, this cake. Ooh. So here's what the cake looks like. It's pretty spongy. I should have grabbed another spoon. You know you all like to take care of the spoon. So it's spongy. Let's taste the cake. Okay, guys, this is super good. It's a tad on the dry side, but on the bottom, has a little bit of moisture to it, so you may be able to tell on my spoon, but it's a little serving of cake. It's awesome. Now, for those of you that want to get fancy, you might want to use some maybe chocolate syrup, or maybe top with a little bit of strawberries, and voila. 1-2-3 cake, compliments of the internet. So all you have to do, again, is to keep 2 kinds of cake mixed up in a container together. One has to be an angel food cake, and I'm sure some of my scientist friends out there probably know the reason behind it. I do not. And the other one can be any cake you want to. So I had chosen a devil's food cake, and you can have cake in 1 minute. 3 tablespoons of the mixture, 2 tablespoons of the water, and there you have it. Enjoy, friends.